In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo to your Apple ID account. That is, how to add any photo of yourself to your Apple ID account. To add any photo to your Apple ID account, what you want to do is this. You want to go to the settings on your phone. So once you get to the settings, I want you to go to your Apple ID account you can do this by clicking on the name, on your name above. Just tap on your name. Once you tap on your name, I want you to go to personal information. So once you tap on this, it will take you to your personal details. So on here, what you want to do, you can see this photo space. Just tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, it will ask you to choose the photo you want to use. So what you just want to do, you also want to tap on this photo icon. It will take you, once you tap on it, it will take you to your phone, to your photo gallery on your device. So once you tap on it, it will load up your photo for you. So on here, you want to choose on the photo you want to use for your Apple ID. Let's just say I want to use this. Let's just use this. Once you tap on this, it will ask you to select it so that it will fit in. Once you select it, just tap on choose below it. Once you tap on choose, it will be, let me enter. Okay, so it will be changed successfully. So once this is done, you just want to check the upper right corner. You are going to see done over there. Tap on this done. Once you tap on it, tap on done again. Once you tap on this, a photo will be attached to your Apple ID account. As you can see, when we were doing this, we didn't have any photo here, but look at it now. We have photo on it already. So guys, this is how you can add any photo to your Apple ID account. Let's go back to confirm. Let's go back to confirm. As you can see now, we now have a photo attached to our Apple ID account. So guys, this is how you can actually change or add any photo to your Apple ID account. Thanks for watching.